Infinite Personalities. Searching for the Stars. By John Oharenko.
Professor Premises. Books that distribute things. With as daring a freedom as we use in dreams, put us on our feet again. Marsilio Ficino. Professor Premises' teaching style is very direct and blunt. For him, real estate investing is really a stunt. The professor's teachings are mixed with theory and fact. He lectures while walking on a tightrope. The classroom is packed. He says, after all, real estate investing is a balancing act. Observation. The crazy teaching method of Professor Premises works well. Who can forget such a stunt? Real estate investors regularly balance risk and reward. Those who succeed have enough practice on the financial tightrope. Motto: pay attention every day, don't let your balance get away.
Infinite Personalities. By John Oharenko.